Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Docs on your iPhone. First of all, head over to the App Store and download the Google Docs app if you haven't already. Once it's installed, open the app and sign in with your Google account. Now, when you open Google Docs, you will see your existing documents, or you can create a new one by tapping on the plus icon at the bottom right. After that, select New Document to start from scratch, or choose Template if you want a ready-made layout. Now, inside the document, you can type, edit and format text just like on a computer. You will find tools for bold, italics, underline, alignment and more. You can also share your document by tapping on the three dots at the top right. After that, select Share and Export. Here, you will see various options. Simply choose the one that suits your need, and that's all. You now know how to use Google Docs on your iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.